Rice is the staple food and the main source of energy, protein, iron, calcium and vitamins for more than half the world's population. But rice growing is not easy. Before rice reaches your bowl at home or a fancy plate at a restaurant, the farmer has to combat many diseases affecting every part of the plant. The leaves, with Pyracularia, blast, Cercospora, narrow brown spot, or Helminthosporium, brown spot. The panicles, with a complex of diseases known as dirty panicle symptoms, which lowers the quality of the harvest with Helminthosporium, Pyracularia, Alternaria and false smut. The whole plant can even be destroyed by Rhizoctonia sheath blight heavy infections. Today, Bayer Crop Science offers you an excellent opportunity. Instead of looking for many narrow-spectrum fungicides, to use the new, truly broad-spectrum fungicide. Nativo, the one solution for superior control of all diseases, even those unseen by the human eye. Its unique features ensure higher yield, improved grain quality, healthier plants with greener flagleaf, flexible use, and reliable performance against all important diseases. And all that means for you, less work and more income. Fungicides play an important role in ensuring maximum yields for the farmer because fungi are the cause of devastating plant diseases. They steal nutrients from their plant hosts and destroy their cells in order to establish, grow and multiply. A spore, in this case Pyracularia oryzae, an important disease of rice, is microscopically small. The spore begins to germinate and penetrates the leaf, neck or panicle surface. As the infection develops, it starts to destroy the plant cells. Of course, each plant pathogenic fungal species behaves differently, but the results are always a weakening and damage to the plant in the form of chlorosis and necrosis. Green leaf area, necessary for assimilation and photosynthesis, is reduced. Yield and quality decrease. Millions of new spores are produced, and they infect surrounding healthy plants, or can be transported by wind and water over many kilometers. At the same time, other pathogens can develop, like sheath blight and brown spot. Often they stay unseen when the farmer is deciding upon which fungicide to use. But even unseen, they damage rice plants and reduce the yield. Pyracularia and other infections grow inside, unnoticed by the farmer for weeks, before they cause visible damage to the leaves. By the time fruiting bodies form, a lot of damage has already occurred. For this reason, reliable fungicide control of a wide spectrum of diseases is extremely important. The earlier, the better. By the time any lack of control is noticed, a lot of yield loss has occurred and the infection is rapidly spreading. Our strategy, to ensure broad-spectrum control and have effective anti-resistance management, is to use effective fungicides combining active ingredients with different modes of action as early as possible. The newest such product is Nativo, the combination of DMI-tebuconazole and strobilurine trifloxystrobin. The mode of action of DMIs, demethylase inhibitors like tebuconazole, here represented by the yellow balls, is an interference in the process of building the structure of the wall of the fungal cell. The cell walls weaken and break open. The fungus is unable to spread and dies. Strobilurines, like trifloxystrobin, here represented by the magenta balls, work by disturbing the energy balance of the fungal cell. The power stations of the fungal cells are the mitochondria. These are deactivated, so the fungus dies. Tebuconazole offers a new DMI quality. Like other DMIs, tebuconazole is fast-acting and systemic. It is quickly taken up and transported in the leaf. In addition, a depot of the product is left in the plant tissue to give lasting protection. Tebuconazole shows a uniform, long-lasting distribution in the leaf. Trifloxystrobin is unique even among new strobilurines because of its mesostemic action. Trifloxystrobin quickly forms a deposit in the leaf surface, which in 2 hours is fixed to the waxy layer of the plant as a protective cover. Later, trifloxystrobin has some movement within the leaf. But more importantly, this protective cover forms a unique sphere around the leaf and even neighboring plants. Via the gas phase, it can move to neighboring leaves, which did not receive any initial coverage. Trifloxystrobin and tebuconazole. The perfect couple for the highest efficacy and the best resistance management. Their combination in Nativo is based on 2 modes of action that work in a complementary way, fighting against crucial organs of the fungus cell. Both give uniform, even and long-lasting leaf coverage after application. Both are rain-fast and active against young infection structures of the fungi. Trifloxystrobin and tebuconazole protect plants from inside and outside. The result is complete and long-lasting protection of both old and new plant tissue with high and long-lasting efficacy, beneficial physiological effects, especially for greening and yield enhancement, flexible application timing, mesostemic action, including weather-protected disease control and redistribution in the rice canopy, and a broad-spectrum disease control. Nativo, the one solution for superior control of all diseases, even those unseen by the human eye. Its unique features ensure higher yield, improved grain quality, healthier plants with greener flag leaf, flexible use, and reliable performance against all important diseases. And all that means for you, less work and more income.